So guys, we're going to do so as we start to study guard, and for beginners, that's a very important drill. So we're going to try to combine the stand up with the close guard at the beginning of the game, plus with a sweep, a flower sweep. Become very famous as well. If you can have the opportunity to check it out, Marcelo Garcia and Xande Ribeiro. Xande Ribeiro executed this beautifully against Marcelo Garcia. And the scenario was very similar to what we're going to do today here. Okay, so the first thing, pay attention. We start, of course, standing. So I'm going to look into the control. So the two grips. I'm going to have this grip on the collar, and I'm going to have the second grip on the sleeve. Remember the second grip here, I'm going to do the punching grip, okay? So I'm going to grab as much, I'm going to cover as much fingers as I can here. So I'm going to cover my fingers with as much material as I can put my fingers inside. Remember, not grab inside is illegal. It's outside of a fetish. I'm going to cover as much as I can, and I'm going to turn my knuckles against his forearm. So the second thing here, it's the punching grip, but on his shoulder. So I'm going to have those two controls here. Remember, if I try to jump to this side here, pay attention what's going to happen. Oh, or it's going to pass my guard, and I'm going to end up in a very bad position. So we're going to try to avoid that. So the way you're going to avoid that, pay attention. I have the grips. I can even fake it here. I'm going to go there toward, pull him towards me, and I'm going to control, end up in a close guard position. So now straight away, pay attention. This grip, I don't let it go. From the beginning of the drill, stays the same grip. I'm just going to break his posture with a little bit of my legs. I'm going to try to reach to the end of his pants as much as possible. Now Tommy, please go to the other side. Pay attention here. This leg is going to open up, and pay attention. I don't take the pressure away. I place this leg beside of his leg. Now pay attention, I'm going to swing this. This is very important. As I swing, I'm going to lift this up at the same time. So I'm going to swing here, boom, and get to the top position, getting a sweep plus the mount. Okay, so full speed enough. Go.